Okay, so today we're down at Taupo and we've come to what's called Crators on the Moon. So join us and we'll go for a stroll around this and we'll take in anything that's worth sort of seeing. This is the first pavilion as you come through the building here. Just gives you this view over all the vents. So we'll take a wander and see what we see. Okay, so we're going to the first thing called Crators, Cracks and Femorals. And there's a big hole in the ground. Although it doesn't seem to be like a crater, but there's steam coming up off the bank here, so it's hot down there somewhere. And it's steaming over there. In fact, there's not many places it isn't steaming. It's roaring over there. So it's quite different. Not spectacular, but different. That looks like it's pretty hot down there. That little patch there is black and smoking. And then if you look around, it's like this whole area is depressed or something. There's little bits and pieces poking their heads out. Another vent over there somewhere. Alright, so we'll carry on along to the next stuff. We're walking down the path. It's quite nicely set up. It's a nice little path to walk on. And as you walk along, there's just little vents here and there popping up, and looks like we're coming into a pretty active area over here. Little bits and pieces popping up everywhere. That's why you got to keep this boardwalk, because it's totally unstable, the land. Quite interesting, it's down in this valley, as if the whole place sort of like collapsed down into the ground. There's a lot of steam activity coming up here. I don't know whether we're going to see much, but we'll get back to that in a minute. I'll just take a view from behind here as we're walking around behind this part. Well, it looks a little bit different because the wind's blowing it away. But you can see there's quite a lot of activity through here. Even over there. Eventually we're going to go up to that one over there and have a look. So now we're aware of what they call the mud craters. You can see there's a lot of mud down the bottom. It's not bubbling or anything though. But there is a vent over there and it's just howling out, you can hear it. That's quite a big hole in the ground. Something you wouldn't exactly want to fall into. It goes around and over to here is not so active, but obviously it was once. Okay, so we're up on the side of the hill now, puffing a little bit. We were going to go up the other way, but we figured that the track didn't come down here to look at these, so we changed our mind on the bushwalk. Roaring out there. You can see down over the valley now. Everything that's going on down there. And then we're going to walk up here to what looks like a very active something. Whether it's just all steam or water. Fire. I don't know.
Yeah, they're up the fire.
Oh, rubbish. No, it's not. Alright, this is flying out of here. Horrendous. Smelly rotten eggs. Little water pond here, I presume that's really hot. That's an absolute jet of steam coming out of there. Amazing. geology of Earth. Off in the distance, we'll see Taupo. Can't see Mount Road from this, even though. Alright, so that's about it for here. We're going to walk back to the shop. Very interesting. Not quite as spectacular as some I've seen. A lot more water and mud geysers and stuff down in Rotorua, but still quite interesting. A lot of information up there at the information centre and the end of each sling, so you learn a lot. And for an hour and I don't know, hour and a quarter, hour and a half possibly, wandering around, quite good value. $8 an adult. Alright, we'll leave it there. Okay, so after I walk around the craters of the moon, we'll now come down and have a look at Huka Falls. Which, going by a sign on the road, said 300 metres, and I'm sure we've travelled at least a day and a half to get to the actual spot. So, you see that sign? Don't take much notice of it. A lot of water coming here. All the water out of Lake Taupo. That's not on Zoom because Zoom wouldn't come back, I don't know why. So, there we have it. Huka Falls. It was up there. Like Taupo. There we are at the end of the falls where they finally finished. And of course, to come, the Waikato River.